My name is Sonora and I'm the Residential Life Coordinator for Pierce Hall. Welcome to my living room. Something that's really great about living in a residence hall is to make a space your own, decorate it, have fun with it. I've come up with 3 different ways that you can do that with some frames, and I hope you are inspired. The first thing that I did was take some mac and cheese boxes that I've had for the last 5 years and put it in a frame. So I bought this frame from the dollar store, and then I found some tape lying around, so I taped the bottom of the box to the frame, put the little clamp down, and voila, didn't have to put it back on it. And now I can just put some command strips on the back and put it above my stove where it's been. The next thing that I did was take a Polaroid, a ticket stub, and a note that I got from a friend. I used the paper that came with the frame and then just put everything back together, and you can display it vertically, horizontally, or again, get some command strips, put them on the back and put it on your wall. It's a great way to display your friends, your family, and some sweet notes. Another way, if you really are feeling creative, is to get a bigger frame, get some twine, also from the dollar store, some clothespins from the dollar store, and display some Polaroids or some notes or a picture or whatever your heart desires. You can also put that up on your wall. So those are 3 different ways that you can use frames to make your space feel your own. In these really weird, funky times, I think it's important that we have something that we can look forward to, something that makes us feel good and brings us a lot of joy. So I hope you got some inspiration for your own frame project, and we can't wait to see you in fall. Bye!